was looking in this pipe, and he heard this bird, and we looked in there, and he was down deep in there, and we tried putting sticks down there and everything, and now I came with this idea of putting a hose down in there to plug the bird out.
Okay, so here we're going to try this. Okay.
I hope this works. Here, go turn it on more.
Yeah? Is it filling?
He's coming up. He's coming.
Oh my God. Keep it flooding, keep it going. It's coming. Oh my God, you got him. Oh my God. You saved the bird's life.
Did we get it out?
Yes, you did it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, not the sharpest bird in the